Hello? We are going to walk you through the NADA Bookout process. The first thing you'll want to do when you arrive on this web page is to start by selecting the boat option. Then you are going to select the Start Here button. This page will display a variety of manufacturers, so you'll just want to select the manufacturer for your unit. In this example, our unit is a Malibu. This next page will list all the models for your manufacturer, so you want to make sure you select the year of your model and then scroll down until you find your unit. In this example, our unit is a wake setter. Once you select your unit, you'll want to type in your zip code. Hit Continue. Then on this next page, it's critical that you go through each of these options and choose the features your model has. For example, this unit has a bridge enclosure and a cockpit cover. You'll want to continue this process for every single category listed. Once you reach the bottom, go ahead and continue. You'll be brought to a new page. If your boat has a trailer or motor, go ahead and fill out the information here. This may or may not apply to your boat. Hit Submit. You'll then be directed to this page, which displays all of the information about your model. Be sure to check over this one more time for accuracy. We will need this whole document, but the most important numbers are the totals listed at the bottom. To send this to us, go ahead and screenshot the page. There can be multiple screenshots. You'll then send the screenshots to us through email. Let us know if you have any further questions.